Are you tired of clicking on a tutorial and listening to somebody drone on for 20 minutes before they get to the point? Well, welcome to Mully's No Bullshit Tutorials. Today, we're gonna do how to load a Schick injector. Okay, now you take the injector, you take your razor, there's a little slot right here on the side. You just take this, with this part up, put it on the side there, and push it in. Now mine's a little tight, but just push it in until they come together. Then you pull this thing back like that, and when you push it forward, it'll catch a blade, and you just push it in. It might take a little force, but it'll go. This sometimes are tight. This one's really tight. Yeah, there we go. Okay, all right. Now it looks crooked, but it'll straighten up when you pull this out. So then you just pull it out, and you're good to go. All right, guys, hope that helped. If you need anything else, I'll give you a call.